Well, this is the big snow. As you can see, we got quite a bit of it. Seems to have stopped now. And it also looks like one of my neighbors was brave enough to go out to the parking lot without having any of the path shoveled at all. And as you can see, it's pretty deep and drifts all the way up to my patio door. Oh, this is really nice over here. My bushes are completely bogged down. Somehow or other, my dish TV is continuing to work. But look at that. It's completely covered with snow. Well, I'm satisfied. I have no place to go. I've got TV to watch, computer to run, camera to take pictures. And, oh, here goes a neighbor. Oh, it's time to take out the trash. That is something you have to be brave for. Knee high. Knee deep. It's probably 2 feet. 2 feet plus. Okay, that's it.